For today's software engineering interview, we'd like you to explain knowledge graphs. A knowledge graph is a type of graph database which is often used by large language models and search engines to model and query the relationships between different things. Can you give me an example of how that might look? In a knowledge graph, we have different nodes which can be different entities like a person, an institution, or even a whole country. Between these things, they're connected by edges which each have labels, like are they married to somebody, do they work somewhere, or were they educated at a certain school? What types of queries might you run on that data? If we had this graph database, you could make a simple query like show me all edges that exit from Barack Obama, and then once you had that, you could say, okay, who is Barack Obama's spouse, and you would quickly get Michelle Obama. That's nice, but it doesn't seem that powerful. How would a large language model actually use this to perform reasoning? A powerful feature of knowledge graphs is the multi-hop query. Imagine I was a large language model and you just asked me to find out who were other people that had the same job as Barack Obama. Well, I can start on my Obama node, see that he worked as the President of the United States, look at this entity, see who else held the position. Oh, here we go, just found Trump. So is this built into the large language model, or is it more of a separate tool that it can use? A knowledge graph can be maintained, deployed, and updated separately from the rest of the large language model. So as things change in real time, let's say Mark Cuban was elected as a new president, we can just update our knowledge graph, and now our large language model can instantly access that information without having to be retrained or anything like that.